Workers at a Keurig Dr Pepper Factory in Victorville, California passed a vote by a slim margin to unionize under the Teamsters, the Victorville Daily Press reported. The final vote, certified by the National Labor Relations Board, showed a tally of 129 to 112 in favor of 266 workers at the Victorville Factory joining Teamsters Local 896. In 2013, a few years after the factory opened as a Dr Pepper 7-Up site, an effort to unionize ultimately proved ineffective. A successful vote took place, but a dispute arose between the Teamsters and the International Association of Machinists over who would represent the employees. Talks with the Teamsters eventually resumed in 2019, according to Phil Cooper, Secretary-Treasurer of Teamsters Local 896. A material handler, Adan Soto, reached out to Cooper, and the two met just before the coronavirus pandemic struck. According to Soto, employees were enduring 12-hour workdays 7 days a week. They also faced punishment for violating policy changes they had not realized were implemented. But there is more work to be done. Once a date is selected for negotiations, each department in the Victorville factory will inform the Teamsters who they choose for negotiating. Cooper's Local already represents two other Keurig Dr Pepper production facilities in the region, and a separate local covers a facility in Orange. Cooper added an unfavorable contract that fails to get voted in could result in a broader Teamsters strike. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is IN Now.